It is Wednesday, March 29th. Excuse me. I'm back at our local beach at Navarre. At my beach walk. I'm a little later in the day as work was a little extra busy today. Trying to catch, there's a bird out here. Kind of swims, floats in the water. I think I heard someone say it's a loon. We'll see if I can catch him on the camera. There he is. I guess he just dives under and swims around. There he is again. There he goes. This is the closest I've gotten to one. I've kind of seen them around. You see something out on the water and then it's just gone. So it's kind of neat to see a little closer. It's not as warm today. It's not quite 70. It's not very sunny. It's okay. It's good enough for a beach walk. So I'm enjoying my walk today.